Am I the only one that didn't know how a graffiti-covered concrete could change the world? This is the story of the Berlin Wall, a barrier that split more than just a city. On the evening of November 9, 1989, a seemingly ordinary day turned into a pivotal moment in history. The Berlin Wall, for 28 long years, stood as a stark symbol of the Cold War, separating East and West Berlin. But what led to its sudden fall? Economic pressures and a surge of freedom movements in Eastern Europe set the stage. But it was the people's unyielding spirit that played the hero. Crowds swelled at the wall, faces filled with hope and determination, chanting for unity. When the gates finally opened, it wasn't just Berlin that was reunited, but a whole world that witnessed the power of peaceful revolution. This wasn't just concrete crumbling. These were barriers of fear and division tumbling down, paving the way for a new era. A reminder that nothing is so permanent it cannot be overcome by the human spirit. Join us in celebrating this spirit. Share your stories of overcoming barriers and let's continue to break down walls together. Subscribe and be part of the change.